What has been helping me survive this winter? I wanted to share with you some things that I've been really loving this winter. Things that have been helping my hair, my skin, and my nails. First things first, I want to share this new hair mask that I've been using for over a month now. It's called Pheno Premium Touch. I really like it. It's a Japanese brand apparently. I think it's linked to Shiseido. I got it on Amazon and it's like $13. No lie guys, I really like this brand. I got two more. So this one is already open and this is the one that I've been using, and I ordered two more because I actually really do like it. It's very moisturizing and it just makes your hair feel really good after you rinse it out and while you rinse it out, all the way down obviously to like the bottom of the cup now. But I've been using this for a little bit over a month. You don't have to use too much in your hair. A little bit definitely does go a long way because it's very rich. It's very moisturizing. But I was reading on a website that it has a few serums, like there was like Elderweiss or something type of serum. Oh gosh, now I feel like I'm like blank in the mind, but if I could find it, I'll like post it somewhere here in this video. But it had a few different ingredients in it that was like really good for hair, really moisturizing for hair. And I have low porosity hair, so I know when like a conditioner feels really good, I know it's because it's able to penetrate my hair. So this was made to be able to penetrate the strands of the hair. So I've been using it for a little bit over a month now. I really like it. I got it on Amazon, and I want to try the hair oil too. They have like a serum for your hair. I've been honestly wearing my hair in like two braids. After I wash it, I just like braid it up. It was really weird the other night. Spontaneously, I just decided to straighten my hair, which I haven't done in a really long time, but I actually didn't even blow dry it. I just washed it the night prior and put it in braids, and then just let those two braids dry, and the following night I just pretty much pressed it out. I did use my Skinnnnnn anti-humidity spray as kind of like a heat protectant, and honestly guys, my hair came out really good. It's like I'm not mad at it at all. It came out really good. But I've been using this and I think this is like a wonderful hair mask to use. It's been keeping my hair very soft and very like just moisturized in between washes. You guys know I still use my L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner by Elvive, but as a hair mask, I generally will, you know, kind of be a little bit open to trying other ones. I'm always open to trying new hair products. I just don't like to switch it up too much because I feel like what works. But I was very interested to try this Pheno Premium mask because I heard so many good things about it, and I just wanted to see if it was going to help me. Definitely like put the link below so that you can check it out. I'm sure that I showed you guys my Skinnnnnn anti-humidity spray. This is what I used when I took my hair out of the braids and I just like brushed it out. I put this all throughout it and then like just brushed it, and then I went to just like straightening my hair. And I think it did like a fabulous job. My hair is very soft, it smells good, and honestly, I've told you guys in previous videos when I straighten my hair, it actually does help with humidity. I generally also use the Color Wow too, but this time I didn't because my hair was already like air dried. So after I washed my hair, I didn't put anything in it, and I will make a separate video about that because my hair routine has been a lot different lately, and I've kind of gone back to COVID-19 days where I told you guys how I used to like wash my hair. I would shampoo, condition it, and then just braid it right up and not put a leave-in in it. And it was because I, you know, was kind of too lazy to go to the store at the time, and just like things were so difficult at that time, as you guys remember. So for almost a year, I just kind of skipped the leave-in, and I found that my hair was softer and like more livelier. Like, I'm not gonna say leave-ins aren't good, but I kind of learned at that time that leave-ins whether it be like leave-in in a conditioner or a regular leave-in, actually wasn't as necessary as I would have thought. So I went back to that recently. I've just been rinsing out my conditioners. I'll like shampoo, condition my hair, rinse all of it out, put a hair mask in, let it sit in for a few minutes, and then boom, I'll just like braid up my hair and call it a day. And that's what I've been doing, and I've actually really been enjoying that. So yeah, I only put this through my hair when I ended up straightening it out of a sporadic moment, and it came out actually better than what I would have thought it would. So yeah. So next is just like cuticle care. I've been really like struggling to keep my cuticles like moisturized because it's so cold outside. This oil I got from Sally's has been really helping with that. This is nail and cuticle care oil by Blue Cross apparently. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it's by like a company called Blue Cross. So yeah, that's been really helping with my cuticles. I think I paid like $5 for this, if even that. After I wash my hands and everything, I just try to remember to add this. And like also too, a good time to add this is like before bed at night, and just give your cuticles like that extra support, like that oil, let it soak in. It does the same thing that it would do for hair, just helping your hair to, you know, have a little bit of extra moisture, extra lubricant, and it just helps your manicure to last longer, guys. You guys know I get my nails done the Russian style, I guess, or Russian manicure way, and I think that in itself really helps my nails too. But also taking really good care of my cuticle, keeping my hands as moisturized as possible in between washing, which sometimes can be difficult for me because I'm a nurse, so I wash my hands a lot during a shift. But when I'm home, I really just try to give my hands those, you know, like extra care. I have other cuticle oils. This one is called Blossom. It smells so good. As you can see, it has like the little, I guess you could say, flowers inside of it, and it's a cuticle oil. And then I have this other one called, I guess, California Mango Cuticle Oil. Take care of your cuticles. I believe I got all of these from Sally's. They all work so good, and they keep my cuticle really hydrated and from cracking and peeling. And they just help my manicures to last so much longer. So definitely look into that, guys. Next, I'm gonna move on to body. I'm gonna show you some things that I've been really loving in the shower lately. Something that's been keeping me really moisturized, really clean. This is the Natrium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. Oh my gosh, I believe one of you guys actually suggested I use this, and don't make fun of my top, it like fell in the shower and like flew off. So I've just been like opening it and pouring it in my hands. But when I tell you guys, I really love this body wash. This is such a moisturizing, humectant body wash. I love it. Sometimes I'll start off with like a bar of soap or another more, I guess, stronger body wash, and then I'll end with this because I feel like this is more moisturizing, whereas the other soaps could be a little bit harsher and like more drying. This used at the end, I just feel like one helps get that just extra clean in on the second wash, but also two, kind of adds back a little bit of moisture to my skin because of the oil in it. Don't sleep on this, guys. This is a really good body wash, and I wish I would have known sooner, but I know now. So yeah, I've been using the Natrium Multi-Oil Body Wash, and I get it from Target, and I'll link it down below. Next is another moisturizer that I found at Target, that I found because I'm obviously using the body wash now. When I tell you guys, this is amazing. It is amazing. This is one of the best body butters I've ever used. It's not greasy, but it's oily. But it doesn't like sit on top of your skin. I wonder if skin can be like low porosity, high porosity like hair. I don't know. It doesn't sit on top of your skin, and it comes out so easily. And when you like rub it through your hands, it almost feels like marshmallows. When you go to like kind of rub your hands together and spread it on your body, it spreads so well. It's like, I don't know, it like feels soft as you're like working it into your hands and you're preparing to like rub it into your body. As you're putting it on your body, it is so freaking soft. So this is one of like my staples. Oh my gosh, this and like, oh my gosh, like a power shower in the morning and rubbing this all over my body and then putting on like that MAC Turquoise perfume that I showed you guys. That is like my 1-2 lately, and I feel just so clean and such like a goddess after I get out of the shower and I just like do my body care. It makes me so excited to take a shower because it just feels so luxurious, and I think that's amazing. So I will link that down below. Next is the L'Occitane Extra Gentle Lotion. Lately, I've just been so into body care, so into lotion, so into like perfumes and just anything skin and body. So I've been wanting to try this for the longest, and I kind of already did. I had the hand cream in this. It was a little bit thicker. But yeah, I had the hand cream. And the hand cream smells so good. It smells literally just like baby lotion, but like thicker and just more moisturizing. It's definitely a very gentle, light lotion, and it's kind of just good for like that, you know, when you go to bed at night, like before bed, kind of something light. This is more so for when you're getting ready to go out because this is very thick. It's going to protect your body from like the winter air, the winter cold. This is more so like probably spring, summertime, and like before bed because it's a lot lighter. It's a lot less like heavier. But both are so good. But if I had to choose and tell you which one to go get, I would tell you to go get this one first and then leave this for later. This is just as good, but I really, really love the Natrium one. I just feel like the Natrium one is so luxurious. Like, last but not least for body care, I want to share with you guys this body oil that I got from Amazon. This is called Safe Vanille. It's, I think I want to say by like a Middle Eastern company. But it's just like a vanilla oil and it smells so good. It just smells so warm and sweet. Like almost like a sugar cookie, but it's good to like layer on top of like a thick body cream like the Natrium one. I love putting the Natrium on and like putting this over it to seal everything in. And yeah, I got this from Amazon. I'll definitely link it below, but it's just so nice to put on your body, and it just adds like, you can layer the smell with like other sweet perfumes, and it's just something that goes really, really well with like other vanillas, caramels, or like gourmand, I want to say, perfumes. Yeah guys, definitely check it out and I'll link it below. Next for body is this Secret Whole Body Deodorant Spray. I got it in the smell Fresh Water Lily, I think. Oh my gosh guys, this smells so good, and I love, like, honestly I just use it as like an all over body spray. I just kind of like, you know, after the shower, after I kind of lotion up, I'll do a spritz with it. But it's a deodorant and like a body refresher spray. You can put it in, you know, anywhere that grows hair. Yeah, it's really, really nice. It smells divine. Got this from Target and it wasn't that much money. And yeah, I'll definitely link it down below. But I usually just like layer on my smells with it, especially when I'm wearing like fresh smells. Like, I can't explain it, but like more like fresh smells. It usually pairs well. So I just wanted to try it. This is the first time I've ever like bought one of these. So I've been using it for the past few weeks and I really love it. And it's like 24-hour fresh for like your private area, your armpits, everything. You know, we sweat, so yeah, try it guys. I think you would really, really like it. It's very nice for after a shower, just to add that extra layer of like deodorization and protection. So yeah guys, that's it. I will be posting other videos about how I've been caring for my hair this winter, but I just wanted to come back and share some new things that I've been loving with you guys. Please, please, please give me your recommendations, because I feel like you guys recommend so many cool things to me, and I am so happy that somebody recommended the Natrium multi-oil body the body wash, because it really, really worked for me. So thanks guys, and yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys later. Bye.